Injection mold design fundamentals part 9. Mold steel selection, heat treatment and surface coatings. The foundation of long-lasting injection molds. This topic is extremely valuable because many mold failures are caused by not only poor mold design but by incorrect steel selection and improper heat treatment or unsuitable surface finishing. Imagine spending 30 lakh rupees to manufacture an injection mold. The first few thousand parts are perfect. Then suddenly, flash starts appearing, part dimensions change, the gate wears out, the surface loses its polish, maintenance costs keep increasing. What went wrong? Was it poor machining, poor processing, or was the wrong steel selected from the very beginning? The truth is that mold steel determines the life, performance, maintenance cost and profitability of an injection mold. In today's video, you will learn how to select the right mold steel, why hardness alone does not make a good mold, heat treatment methods, surface coatings, corrosion resistance, wear resistance, steel selection of different production volumes, practical industry tips. If you are a mold designer, tool room engineer, CNC programmer, BMC operator, EDM operator, entrepreneur or plastic processor, this video could save you lakhs of rupees. Let's begin. Hello friends, I am Amit. Welcome to Plastic Industry YouTube channel. If you want to master injection mold design, plastics processing, mold making, manufacturing technology and business opportunities, subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon. Let's start. Imagine two identical bucket molds. Same design, same cooling, same gate location, same machine. But after 1 year, Mold A is producing perfect parts. Mold B has excessive wear, rust, flash and frequent breakdowns. The biggest difference, steel. The steel. Why mold steel matters? Let us understand. An injection mold experiences high injection pressure, repeated heating and cooling, friction from molten plastic, abrasion from glass-filled materials, corrosive gases from PVC and flame-retardant plastics. A poor steel choice can lead to early wear, rust, cracks, dimensional changes, high maintenance cost. Choosing the right steel is an investment, not an expense. Key properties of good mold steel. An ideal mold steel should have 1. High hardness, 2. Toughness, 3. Wear resistance, 4. Corrosion resistance, 5. Excellent polishability, 6. Good machining properties, machinability, 7. Dimensional stability after heat treatment, 8. Repairability by welding. No single steel excels in every property, so selection depends on the application. Common mold steels. Usually we use P20, P for partner, P20. Pre-hardened steel, around 28 to 32 HRC, easy to machine, good for medium production, widely used for automotive and household products. H13. Hot work tool steel, excellent toughness, high wear resistance, suitable for high temperature applications and long production runs. S136. Stainless mold steel, outstanding corrosion resistance, excellent mirror polish, ideal for optical, medical and food contact components. 420. Stainless, good corrosion resistance, high polishability, used for transparent parts and medical molds. NAK 80. Pre-hardened premium steel, excellent polishability, suitable for cosmetic parts and high gloss molds. 1.2311 or 1.2738. Improved P20 grades, better toughness, suitable for larger molds. Heat treatment. Heat treatment enhances steel properties. Common processing or process include annealing, hardening, tempering, stress relieving, nitriding, and vacuum hardening. Benefits: increased wear resistance, improved toughness, better dimensional stability, longer mold life. Improper heat treatment can distort the mold and reduce its performance. Surface coatings. Surface engineering improves durability of the mold. Common coatings normally used on injection molds: nitriding, hard wear resistant surface. It generates minimal distortion and it improves life. Hard chrome plating, corrosion protection and better release. PVD coatings. Example: tin, TICN, chromium. Example: TIN, TICN, CRN, DLC. Advantages: reduced friction, high hardness, better wear resistance, improved release of difficult plastics. Steel selection based on plastic materials. Polypropylene, polyethylene, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Normally, for this material, P20 is often sufficient. Glass-filled nylon, H13 or nitrided steels are preferred. PVC, stainless steels such as S136 help resist corrosion. Optical components, S136 or NAK80 for superior polish. Medical molds, stainless steel with excellent corrosion resistance and polishability. Always match the steel to the polymer and production volume. Common mistakes usually people do, but you should avoid as a good mold maker or mold designer or a processor. Avoid selecting steel only by price, ignoring the plastic material, skipping stress relieving, using soft steel for abrasive material, neglecting preventive maintenance, assuming harder steel is always the better. The correct balance between the hardness and toughness is crucial. Practical industry tips, nobody will tell you this. Discuss steel selection with the customer before manufacturing. Consider expected annual production volume. Use certified steel from reputable suppliers. Keep detailed records of heat treatment and hardness. Design for maintainability with replaceable inserts where is expected. So let us conclude. Today we learned why mold steel matters, common mold steels, heat treatment methods, surface coatings, steel selection based on applications. In part 10, we will discuss mold maintenance, preventive maintenance schedules, troubleshooting and life extension techniques. For similar insights, please like, share, comment, follow, subscribe and press that bell icon so that you never miss my next uploads. Thanks for watching. This is Amit and you are watching Plastic Industry YouTube channel. Namaskar.